Hi, we're Jerry and Jolene, and we took a motorcycle ride in New Mexico. What a beautiful place this is.
We're really enjoying it. We're here in Questa as our base, and we're enjoying checking out the area. I do want to put a plug in for the owners here at the RV park that we're at. They gave us some excellent rides to go out on, and we've done a couple of them.
Very good advice. And the number one piece of advice they gave us was take a ride up to Chama. And while you're up there, go on up to Antonito, Colorado. And oh my gosh, it was gorgeous.
It was. It was a long ride for us. It was about 239 miles.
Yes, it was.
And we took our time, so it was about 7 hours. But oh my, it was amazing. It was beautiful. It was a great day. The wind wasn't bad. The sun was shining. We had a wonderful time.
We did. And that's what this video is about. So we hope you enjoy it. Our 238-mile journey will take us across some flat plains and then into the mountains of New Mexico and Colorado. We'll start our journey in Questa and head south on New Mexico 522. Our first point of interest is the Rio Grande Gorge Bridge. This is an amazing structure spanning an awesome gorge. From the Rio Grande Bridge, we now ride across the flatlands on US 64 to Tres Pedras. We're coming up on a community of super sustainable buildings called earthships. The design of these off-grid homes provide electricity, potable water, contain sewage treatment, and sustainable food production. A community living in harmony with nature. We're out of the flatlands and heading into the mountains. Look at the beauty of that sky. Hey, hey, hey! What a beautiful day. We've just passed through Tierra Amarilla. What a spectacular ride so far. The road to Chama was basically flat but very enjoyable. We could see the Brazos Cliffs in the far distance. Chama, New Mexico is the home of the Cumbres and Toltec Scenic Railroad. The steam train travels a 64-mile route through the mountains to Antonito, Colorado. We'll be often following the tracks along the way. We are leaving Chama on Highway 17, heading to the most spectacular part of this ride, up into the mountains of Colorado. just passed through Antonito, which marks the end of the scenic mountain ride. It's a straight, flat ride back to Tres Piedras. We've completed the 143-mile mountain loop that began and ended at Tres Piedras. All that's left is to return to the motorhome by the way we came. The mountains along northbound Highway 522 were beautifully lit by the golden afternoon sun. Hey, we hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give us a thumbs up.
Or a couple.
Yeah, a couple, maybe 4, maybe 5. Subscribe if you'd like. Hit the notification bell and leave us a comment. Let us know what you think of this video. Let us know how we're doing. See you later.
Bye.